Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by putting both devices on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential so they can see each other. Once done, enable the TV's Chromecast built-in or screen mirroring option in inputs or network settings so it will accept connections. Next, pull down Android Quick Settings or open Google Home on your phone, choose Cast or Screencast. You're initiating Discovery now, which lets your phone find the Sony TV and prepare the handshake for streaming. Once your phone shows available devices, tap the Sony TV name to connect. You'll often see a confirmation prompt on the TV that you should accept. Make sure to choose whether you want full screen mirroring or app casting. Mirroring duplicates everything, while app casting uses a single app for better performance. If prompted, grant permissions for audio and display. After connection, you'll notice your phone's screen or selected app streaming. Make adjustments to volume or brightness directly from your phone. To finish, tweak resolution and audio output so video looks and sounds right. Some apps let you pick streaming quality, and the TV may upscale automatically. If the connection drops or never appears, reboot both devices and confirm firmware and Android updates are installed, because outdated software often blocks mirroring. If you still can't connect, clear the Google Home or Casting app cache, try reconnecting, or use a USB-C to HDMI adapter for a wired link. One key troubleshooting tip: always check TV input locks and HDCP settings when video won't play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.